Philippines, July 27, 2022. The Philippines island of Luzon was struck by an earthquake on July 27, 2022, at 8:43 and 24 seconds a.m. local time. The earthquake's magnitude was given as 7.0 by the United States Geological Survey.
Dapat data, harangan nyo di binugyutan, talaga buyutin mo di data. May problema na. Ano tayo yung ginuhin na tayo?
There were at least 100 injuries and 5 fatalities.
Tinggi, gawa man tinggi bakit mo yan? Dagdagan durak pa.
Tigil mo yung hindi ko alam paano.
Yay.
Like.
Complex tectonics can be found in the northern Philippines and the area surrounding the island of Luzon.
Yan guys, ito po yung nangyari sa mga tubig dahil po sa karagatan ng Ilocos Norte, Ilocos Sur at may bandang La Union. So after po ng malakas na lindol ay yung tubig dagat po ay umatras ng mabilis na para bang yung mga nakikita natin sa pelikula na mabilis na mga
Subduction zones surround Luzon on its east and west sides.
Puti kayo ng kel. Gawanan ni madaya dati may bayan ako na eh.
The subduction zone for the southern portion of Luzon is found east of the island in the Philippine Trench, where the Sunda Plate subducts beneath the Philippine Sea Plate in a westward direction. The Sunda Plate subducts eastward beneath the Philippine Sea Plate in northern Luzon, where the earthquake of July 27 occurred. A new trench, known as the Manila Trench, is positioned west of Luzon.
Narban siya. Awanin niya.
The variety of faulting mechanisms in powerful earthquakes provides evidence of the complexity of plate tectonics on and near Luzon.
Yung sa Sambales. Putik! Tignan nyo, oh! Yung sasakyan ko, luminit, umaalog ko, ang lakas yan, oh! Putik, dito lang sa
Since 1970, this area has experienced earthquakes of magnitude 7 or higher in reverse, normal, and strike-slip faulting have all been present. High seismic activity is brought on by these active plate borders. Within 250 kilometers of the earthquake on July 27, 2022, there have been 11 previous quakes with a magnitude of 6.5 or higher since 1970. The biggest of these quakes was a strike-slip earthquake with a magnitude of 7.7 that occurred on July 16, 1990, about 215 kilometers south of the quake on July 27.
Guys, nasira. Grabe. Nag-drone lang ako nung linggo dito.
Over 3,000 people were injured and at least 1,600 people died in the 1990 earthquake. In the Baguio Cabanatuan Dagupan region, the 1990 earthquake also brought forth landslides, liquefaction, subsidence, and sand boils. A maximum intensity of 7, destructive, on the Phivolcs Earthquake Intensity Scale, PIS, was instrumentally measured in Vigan.
Lang gawain to, bagsak. Pakalakas ng lindol.
In Buclac and Manabo, Abra, intensity 7 was reported. Shaking of intensity 6, very severe, was observed in Vigan, Sinate, Bantay, San Esteban, Ilocos Sur, Laoac, Pangasinan, and Baguio City.
Buti hindi pa tayo makyat dun. Meron pa, meron pa.
This is a big earthquake, according to Renato U. Solidum, director of the Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology, who was speaking in an interview with a local radio station.
Building, ancestral dito yan po. Dito'y Barangay 5 at may isang lugar na po. Dito'y Barangay 5, Bigan na City. So ito po tilangan na rito kutse po. Okay, bagay ito chong, bagay. Oh, bagida. Nakaparking?
Additionally, he claimed that Manila, the Philippines' capital, experienced it with quite modest severity. Thanks for watching. The channel World is Dangerous. See you in another video.